Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will teach you how you guys can check your Instagram's login activity, which means you guys can check on how many times you have logged in into your account or who has logged in into your account from which location as well. This is the feature provided by Instagram, so let me show you how you guys can figure it out. And before I show you the steps on how to see your login activity on Instagram, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. And let's move on. First step, you want to come to your Instagram profile by clicking on your Instagram profile at the bottom right of your screen like this. Now once you're in your Instagram profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right of your screen, also known as the hamburger menu. Once you click on it, from all this option, the first option where it says settings, you want to click on settings. And once you're inside settings, the option called security, which is right below supervision, you want to click on security. Once you're inside security, the second option where it says login activity, you can clearly see it, click on it. Once you do that, all of your login activity will be shown over here, as you guys can see over here. So yeah, that's basically all the login activity of Instagram, which means this is all the time I have logged in into my Instagram, as well as it shows me from which location, as well as from which device and on which date. You guys can see it over here. So that's how you guys can check your Instagram's login activity. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more Instagram related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.